Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome to Crafting Therapy today. I've been putting out a lot of videos, so I hope you're able to stay caught up because there's a lot going on. But today I am doing a masterboard, and we're doing From Scraps to Masterboards. We are in the holiday edition, but if you are having so much fun and you guys would like to, we could extend it into January to do a winter edition. What do you think? Well, let me know what you think. So we post in the comments. Let me know if you would like to do that. Let's see though. Today's scraps are from Trudy Balmer. And we're going to open this up. It looks like they're got a nice envelope that I could use too. And a little note here. She said I sent a variety of papers. So we'll see. And of course, I probably won't use all of them, just because there are some nice size, but I could make more than one masterboard too, right? So I'll save them for sure. Look how pretty. Oh, she sent me a star. I got to keep that separated. Ooh, and some tags and ephemera and a Merry Christmas. Ooh, looky. Oh, yeah, there's Santa. I love it. Ooh, a place to make a Christmas list. And some pretty sweat. Oh, these are really pretty papers. Have a cozy Christmas. Love that. Okay, we've got some pretty reds. And look at those trees. Ooh, this is really nice tissue. Gorgeous. Look at that, you guys. Oh, I love that. I love seeing what other people have in their stash, too. It's really fun to just kind of see what everybody has been using in their stash, really. I love all the poinsettias, so that is a fine theme to go with. Look, these are gorgeous. Are you sure these were scraps? All right, so we're going to do this one a little bit different. Normally, well, I've done it many ways. So we're going to use some inking tonight or today, and I'm going to just tear some of these papers because I want to be able to use as many as possible, but I want some interesting shapes. Let's see. And then I want to ink them before I put them down. All right, so just tearing scraps and placing them in a collage format on my background. And my background that I'm using today is actually a file folder I cut in half. For my masterboards, I usually will scan them and save them so that they can be used over and over. I can reprint and reprint. And I love being able to do that. So, and I'm going to place some more papers and then I'll come back to you. This is really beautiful already by itself. It's just really gorgeous. Almost doesn't need anything else. But because these papers are just so beautiful. But we're going to add more because we can. And we've got this real pretty artwork. So we're going to add on these little candles here that I just tore. Just going to put them in the middle. And then I really love this. Where could I put it? Let me just tear a piece, see how it comes out on here. So that is going to be, because it's going to show, I think it will. Let's tear some of it off so it can be more in one place. Let's see, do we want it at the top? Yeah. So let's just put the glue on here. And then I'm just going to put this on. Because it's so thin, what's behind it will show through. Right. For us to see a little bit of it. Look at that. That's gorgeous. All right, and I'm going to save some of those. Let's see. I want to use a little bit of this Cozy Christmas. Now, I could cut it, but I think I'm just going to tear it. Thank you, Trudy. These are gorgeous pieces. I'm glad you participated and were able to. I know you were busy. Everybody's busy, so I mean, it's a time of year for filling your days for sure. All right, so we need Merry Christmas here, and I'm actually gonna cut that one out because I don't want to mess anything up. That looks good. Okay. Then we've got our Santa and our stars and a poinsettia over here. So we can put this here. That looks so good. And Santa needs to be, I think I'm going to put Santa down here. Come on, Santa. Let's put you down here. Okay, so I'm putting a lot of glue on him. I'm gonna make sure I get his bag of toys when I scan. And then we have this pretty poinsettia here. I'm really happy with it. I'm gonna go around the edges a little bit with some ink, and then I do think I'm gonna put some either some texture paste or some gesso. All right, so I've gone around the edges with my Vintage Photo ink. Now I want to use some gesso. Gesso is a primer, but in our journaling world, we use it for all kinds of things. And it's a very pretty white, and I want to give that wispy effect. I usually use my fingers, and my fingers are already kind of dirty, but I am using a stenciling brush. I'm going to take a lot of it off, and I just want to bring in kind of like a snow look, and also go around these edges of where the different papers kind of come together, and just add that kind of wispy look is what I'm going for. So not a lot of paint, sort of dry brushing really, and not getting it all over my fingers if I can avoid it. And so we're just going to do that a little bit to bring in, I may use some glitter paste, but we'll see after we do the solar spray. All right, so we're going to put this away. And now we wanted to add, or I wanted to add some solar spray. Solar spray is by Simon Hurley. It mixes up, I think their mica powder in there. And so you have to shake it up pretty good to get it. The pearlescent look of it comes out, it's just so pretty. But if it's on dark colors, it comes out more vibrant. But of course, these are not all dark. But we are going to just do some wispy sprays. The golden hour is just really my favorite. If you have been watching very long, you probably already know that. Okay, so let's see this dry. Right, I don't think I really need glitter on here. Maybe a little, or maybe just leave it. Maybe we'll just leave. The golden hour is so gorgeous. I love it. So what do you think? It's really pretty, right? I'm going to scan it and put it up in my Facebook group for everyone to share. Thanks so much for watching.